Attention, wholesaling, network marketing, affiliate marketing, professionals, and entrepreneurs. Is that not you? Oh, that's you. Comment below which of these categories you belong to. Now, I know you've figured out how to get more leads, more deals, more customers, more clients, and more income. More than you can handle, right? With the rising cost of marketing and lower conversion rates everywhere, right? No? Ouch. I had the same exact problem. In fact, all my clients had the same exact problem, right up to the point that they found and downloaded my book, Digital Marketing Certified. My name is Ola. I'm the creator of myEmpirePRO, a 5-time author, including the book Digital Marketing Certified, which is the insider secret to getting more traffic, leads, deals, customers, and clients, and getting more income and revenue than you can handle in a digital era. This is a text message from a reader, and I quote, "Ola, I was stubborn about depending on referrals until I went broke completely. I didn't pay attention to the fact that my referrals were also getting affected by the struggling economy. This book was my lifesaver. Thank you." You can find the book on Amazon for $25, but you can also use the button below or go to www.digitalmarketingcertified.com to download a digital version of the book for free. If you go to www.digitalmarketingcertified.com to download the digital version of the book, I will throw in 2 other books for those interested in wholesaling and the like. If you don't experience a significant improvement in your results, I will personally jump on a call with you. That's a 100% satisfaction guarantee just for implementing what's in the book. Click the button below or around this video, or go to www.digitalmarketingcertified.com to download a digital version of the book for free, plus 2 more books: The Ripple Effect of the Struggling Economy, Referral Dependency Becoming Obsolete, The Rising Inflation, Cost of Marketing and Lower Conversion Rates and Are Deleting Businesses Left and Right. Don't let complacency be the downfall of your business. Take action now. Don't forget, the business landscape is evolving rapidly. The old school strategies you're using are simply not working. The evidence is right there for you. The strategies in Digital Marketing Certified are your ticket to more leads, more deals, and more income.